Hi, I'm Heather from Woolly Elephant, and today I'm going to be showing you the May Glossybox. So this has just come today, so if you haven't received yours yet or you haven't opened it yet and you don't want to see this, then turn off now. But if you do, I've not opened mine yet and all the girls at work are dying to see what's in it. So it's come in this lovely apricot-y peach box, which is really pretty. I'm going to have this huge collection of coloured boxes soon. So I'll just move the camera down so that you can see it as I open it. So what have we got? So inside today, oh look at that. It's like a mirror on the inside of the box lid. That's quite cute. I bet there's a screen cover on it that I might be able to take off. And it says, you are beautiful in various languages. So there we go. There you can see us filming on the camera. Quite like that. So that's really good. Then there is some stickers. Some inspirational stickers in various languages again. For every rainy day there is a rainbow, self-love juice, do what makes you happy, you are enough. So they're quite cute. And then this is the actual box wrapped up, all in like a peach theme. Now in each box you get this little card with a QR code on, so if you scan that, it takes you to the magazine, which then tells you about the products that you get. So I'm just going to do that before I do anything else. So I'll just scan that code. And then this should take us to the magazine. So you get a digital magazine to look at, and this tells you about the products. So I should be able to say what is in it as we get it. So let's go. So some lovely peach ribbon, and being a crafter I'll keep all these ribbons because I'll be able to use them again, and the tissue paper. So let's just open that. It's like Christmas. Okay. So, first on the list, Exfoliating Scrub for buttery, smooth, soft skin. Exfoliating Coffee Scrub. This will be interesting. I bet this smells amazing when you use this. So let's have a look. This is exfoliate and revitalise your skin with this full body caffeine kick. Buff on freshly ground coffee to smooth your skin. Now it says this recommended retail price, deluxe mini 30 gram, worth £9.95. So I'm assuming that's what this is. Yep, 30 gram. So this is apparently worth £9.95. A 200 gram full size would be £12.95. So that looks fab. Next we've got Daily Concepts Daily Round Silicone Scrubber. Okay. I'm assuming that's like a face pad. Body scrubber. We couldn't give you a gorgeous body scrub without giving you a super handy body scrubber to use it with. Pair this silicone tool with your Mind Tan scrub to not only gently exfoliate the skin, but to allow yourself to feel the massage. Recommended retail price of this is £16. Let's have a look. It kind of looks like one of those silicone washing up scrubby things that you can get for your pots, for your body, and it's got a finger loop on the back. So I bet actually that is going to feel really good. So there we go. That's quite a good little treat. This one is Balance Me Exfoliating Concentrate. Let's find out what this one is. Aiding you in removing dead skin cells, battling blemishes and improving hydration, rich in salicylic acid. Deluxe Mini 30ml, worth £10. So this is the 30ml, so it says this is worth £10. And if you wanted to buy that in a bigger size, full size 180ml for £26. So that's another one to give a go. What I'm loving about these things is I'm going to try everything. Collagen boosting eye mask. Oh, I bet that feels good. So everything is better in pink eye patches. This is gold. Recommended retail price on this is £3. This is by graceandstella.com. Focused on firming and hydrating the under eyes, these pretty pink eye patches draw in moisture to even the deepest layers of skin. So these should be interesting to do, to use. Never had anything like that before. And there's one more. We're blushing. Creamy blush stick. Sophia and Mabel. So it says that one. Add a beautiful pink tone to your cheeks, even on days when you're feeling the stripped back makeup look. With this cream stick blush in stunning shade Blossoming, it's perfect for all occasions. Recommended retail price £13, and that's by sophiaandmabel.com. Let's get that out and we'll have a quick look. So it's in a nice little pink pot. So it's got a nice pearly sheen to that as well. So it's quite a nice colour. Probably can't see very well in this light, as I'm under a faint light. But that's lovely. Something else to try. Blossoming, the colour of that, blush stick. That's quite a nice little handbag size, that. So I think that's pretty good value, really. But when you consider you pay £13, you'd probably pay, well, that's £13 on its own. The box costs, I think, is it £13.25. And then we've got the exfoliating concentrate, the under eye masks, the exfoliating scrubber, silicone scrubber, and the coffee scrub. The stickers and the mirror. I think that's great. I think I'll be using the mirror in the tin. So that's it. Mirror in the box. And like I said, you get this magazine that comes every month that tells you all about what's in your box. And then it tells you about a few other products. So definitely, it's definitely worth the £13.25 price tag. So I'd be quick and sign up and get yours. I will leave a link. So I'll leave links in the information box below if you'd want to sign up. I'm not affiliated to Glossybox. I don't earn anything from this. If they send me a code, a refer code, to get money off, I will pop that underneath. I don't know at the moment until I go back and look through my emails, but if they do, I'll pop a code underneath so that you and me might get money off our next box. So until next time, bye.